Kena macam acap-acap. Cantiknya foundation. Wow.
Nampak flawless ke? Cantik.
Hey girl, what's your foundation routine?
My foundation routine?
Yes.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to share with you guys my foundation routine because it's so stupid easy, bulletproof, so full coverage, thick and glam. I do this every single day and maybe this is why I have acne but I don't care anymore. This is before and after. So as you can see, I matched my foundation to my brown hands and brown body because I think it looks more unified. But I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it matches fine though, but let me know your thoughts, okay? Anyway, this is my Pixy powder foundation in Tropical Beige. Then I'm going to shorten my brush because longer bristles are for dusting while shorter bristles are for packing. And with a circular motion, start swirling it in. The coverage on this powder is definitely high and it's buildable as well. So if you feel like you need more coverage, just keep applying it until you're satisfied. And if you want to cut down time and want a heavier coverage, you can always apply this powder with a wet sponge. If any of you guys are wondering if this looks too unnaturally thick ke apa or like fake sangat, well, it does look like foundation lah, but you cannot compare this to any liquid foundation because I think foundation like Kat Von D Tattoo Foundation or Estee Lauder Double Wear Cream Foundation, those with the high coverage, those are tebal. This is not that level because it's still just a powder. But the thing is with powder foundation is it doesn't help with texture problem sebab it's not a liquid foundation that has that bomb silicone quality yang boleh smoothkan the appearance of pores and rough skin. And powder foundation senang gila transfer, oh my god. Tapi the reason why I still prefer powder foundation for everyday is that it's so easy to apply and bring around. Tu je. Then I'm going to use another powder foundation in a lighter shade and concentrate this under my eyes and highlight the center of my face. MAC Studio Fix powder foundation ni pun have the same high coverage and transfer problems as well. Tapi the texture is a little bit more refined than Pixy and nampaklah beza tapi sebab harga pun beza kan. Honestly, if Pixy has better shades, I go for Pixy. Tapi I will still get the MAC sebab dia punya fine texture tu is so much better for touching up. Dah lah, it absorbs all the oil, it dapat freshen your makeup base and add more coverage without looking like crap. Pixy, you cannot guna as touch up langsung sebab tebal sangat. Okay, so that's all for coverage and I know you can still see my scars tapi in real life dah okay and in real life flawless dah, so don't worry. So go ahead and finish up with your routine like bronzer, blush, eye makeup, whatever lah, and you are done. I usually wear my makeup dari pagi sampai petang. I find that it lasts pretty well into the evening, so if I want it to last longer, I'll just touch up using MAC Studio Fix. But yeah, that's all. So thanks for watching guys.
Dah.